finance with our treasure home, and welcome back to the channel. So this is a long time video coming. I bought this stuff, I would say probably 4 years ago. I bought some mylar bags, and I have this. Yes, I'm out of breath because I forgot these and I have to go back over there to get them. So start the video over again. So with the bad weather coming, we've already had tornadoes this year, snowstorms, and they say like the hurricane season is looking pretty rough this year. So we shall see. But just you just never know, things are going to happen, and you got different ways to preserve food and everything. But I was thinking of mylar bags. These would be easy to sit there and make. I'm supposed to have some small ones in here. Maybe for rice, so long-term storage, if you're looking for that. Maybe this is one. I have never opened these, so I'm opening up the first time with you. Yeah, this is the one I'm looking for. So I'll do a couple of these. I got the small ones, and then I have the big ones. And these have been folded over. I'll show you the size. Right. So this size is the bigger size. These are the, like really big. It's like for your beans and rice and, dry stuff. And then the smaller ones, so we're going to make our own trail mix today. I'm thinking I have some small, nope, this is not a smaller one. This is another big one. It's just folded over. So we're going to do, because I love trail mix. I miss having that, you can just buy it and then have all those nuts and everything. So we're going to make our own. So I have walnut halves. We have cashews. Walnut halves and pieces. We got some pistachios. And of course I got some apricots and some dates. Now, you can add whatever you want to in yours. This is what I'm going to do for ours. Or for me. And if you want to make it a little bit better, fun, or whatever, you can add chocolate chips, or you can add these. These are the organic cacao nibs and everything. So those are my sons, but I just wanted to show you what we're going to do. Now, I've been told when you open these up, you need to get them in a jar fast, because they'll lose that seal real quick. So before we open these, we're going to fill our bags. So, and to seal the bags, use a flat iron. Like I said, I got this 4 years ago. This has never been opened to use. We're going to use it today. Down there. Alrighty. Get this untied. Don't forget to take the cover off your plug. This gets hot fast. So we're going to plug this in. So it's kind of like fast, fast, fast. And we'll see how fast we can do. I'm going to open up all my packages first. My nuts. And your dried fruit. And this would be good for, I know people have those freeze dryers and everything. Oh, well, great idea to sit there and make your own goodie bag. So you go hiking, camping, just to have in the car for long trips. So, we'll start with some cashews. And then we're going to add some pistachios. So this is bigger than the smaller ones, but this can still work. And I'm quite sure you can cut it down to size if you need it to. We're going to add some walnuts. Some apricots. And then some dates. And these are the ones that are already been pitted, so you don't have to worry about that. And I am going to add some chocolate chips. Just a handful. That way there's a variety of things in there. So, like I said, you probably could cut this down if you need to, because I only filled it up that much. So, let's see here. I'm not one for wasting things. So, this is what we're going to do. I'm going to open this up. Grab one real quick. Stick it in there. And I'm going to put my other ones in the jar. Alright, so I got those in there. I'll see that back up in a little bit. So then you take, my understanding, you take this and you seal the top of it. So we're going to seal it. Well, I guess it would be helpful to have it on. So we'll let that heat up for a moment. You know what I mean? I'm all for bloopers, you know? Gotta make life fun. Somehow or another, you know? You know, gotta make it interesting, fun a little bit, you know? So, now, this should work. So you take it, and it just seals it as you go across. I'm going to do it again just to make sure I didn't miss anything. Oh, wow. It's sealed. Look at that. I'm quite sure you can use a vacuum sealer to do the same thing. And then you got your own goodie bag. So, I didn't have the small ones. I've got the medium-sized ones. And then right on there, what's in there, so that you'll know what you've got. So I'm going to do one more. Woo, I smell that thing now. So we're going to add some more walnuts. We'll do some pistachios. More cashews. And we'll go the same way again with the apricots. And with the dates. And with this one, I'll use a little bit of the cacao nibs. Not a lot, because these, like I said, this one has those. And then a little bit of chocolate chips. And then again, it's open. You just take your flat iron and it seals it. So, I'll do it again, just to make sure I got every bit. And there we go. We've got 2 our own trail mix bags to go. I mean, you can make so many things with these. You could do, like, you know, 1 and 2. Hey, pretzels and, you know, if you have pretzels, you like pretzels and do a mix with broken pretzels and stuff. Have something underneath my fingernail. And then, different kinds of dried fruit. You know, if you like the banana chips. You know, just mix it up and make it your own. Because not everybody likes some of the stuff they have in the store. Coconut flakes. I forgot. You could put coconut, if you like coconut, get some, you know, coconut flakes. Put that in there also. So, some really easy and different ways to make these up. And all now it's easier than I thought. You know, sometimes we make things a little bit harder than what they are. So, but yeah, there we go. That's our little trail mix stuff and everything. So, thank y'all for watching. If you haven't, like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications. So you see you next time on Our Treasure Home. So I forgot to show y'all about when you have the extra ones and everything. I'm trying to get there we go. So, put them in your jar. I've got my nice little, can't do it with the ring on it. There we go. So, you're just going to put your top on, put your sealer on there. Alright, flute paw again. So you have your wide mouth ring and a regular mouth. Put your sealer on there. And press your button, and then you can just seal that back up. It vacuum seals the air out of those, so they won't, you know, do the thing they need to do. And there you go. Those are sealed back up, so you can use them for another time. Put this back in like this, and they're sealed. So, easy peasy. So, there we go. Just a little bit extra at the end to show them how to seal that back up. And y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. See you later.